How can tourists and visa holders ensure that they're not flagged for violating their visa intent when entering the US?
Right. Well, first of all, they have to clearly state their travel purpose and make sure it aligns with the type of visa that they have. So, for example, if they say that um, something, it can be subtle. For example, you might have a B1 and B/B2 visa. Most people, everybody has a B1, B2 visa. You can use that either for work or for pleasure. But when you're entering into the country at that particular time, you have to state a particular reason. So if you're coming just to travel or to visit, you should say, who you're visiting, why you're traveling. But if you kind of say that, you intend to travel, but you also have, some business in the US, then it could be a mixed signal that you're sending because they issue either a B1 or a B2 when they issue you an I-94 at the port of entry. So keep it clear as to whether it's business or whether it's, pleasure. Carry documents that will support your intent. If you're saying you're traveling, you don't intend to stay beyond 2 months, say, or 3 months, whatever the time you say that you want to stay, make sure you have a return ticket to show that you intend to return on time. If you're on a H1, for example, a work visa, make sure you're carrying your employment letters and your proof of employment and your, H1B approval to show that you intend to work in the US with that particular employer. As I said earlier, avoid carrying work related material if you're entering on a tourist visa. Be consistent in your responses. And as I said earlier, avoid giving conflicting statements. So all this can help you show that you have, what your intent is, and if you're on a non-immigrant visa that requires you to show that you have the intent to return, make sure you have documentation showing that.